In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Telegram channel cannot be displayed error. First, open Chrome to any another browser you are using. Type Telegram login in the search bar. Click on the Telegram web link, which is usually the first result. Log in with your Telegram account details. Once logged in, click on the three bars at the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find the Disable Filtering option. If you see it, enable the Disable Filtering switch. If this option is not visible, it means Telegram hasn't released this feature in your country. After enabling the Disable Filtering option, restart the Telegram app on your phone. And that's how you fix this problem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.